and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of fixed income investments and exploring a platform that's making waves in the bond market, Aspero. If you are someone who loves low risk and stable return, this one is for you. Let's get started. So, what is Aspero? Aspero is a fixed income investment platform that's a rebranding of OB Invest because of OBPP rules, a leading name in the fintech space. It offers a wide range of bonds including corporate bonds, commercial papers, pass-through certificates, and alternative investment funds. And guess what? The minimum investment is just Rs 300. Whether you are a newbie or a seasoned investor, Aspero makes bond investing accessible to everyone. Now, why should you consider Aspero? Here are some standout features. Better rates. Since Aspero is the originator of bonds, you get higher yields compared to other platforms. Wide selection. From high return corporate bonds to commercial papers, Aspero has something for everyone. Competitive returns. Some bonds on Aspero offers interest rate as high as 14%. Safety first. Aspero lists only regulated and rated bonds, so you know your investments are secure. But that's not all. Aspero is working on adding more features like bond bundles and government securities to give investors even more options. Plus, they are planning to introduce a feature that allows users to sell their bonds on the platform, making it easier to access your money when needed. And here's a pro tip. Start small if you are new to bond investing with a minimum invest of just Rs 300. You can dip your toes into the world of fixed fund investment without any pressure. Don't forget to bookmark the link for future investment. Exciting news! Randomdimes has partnered with Aspero to offer exclusive bond investment with higher yield. Like other platforms, Randomdimes users can invest directly through Aspero, eliminating acquisition cost and maximizing returns. Ready to get started? Simply register on Aspero using Randomdimes link in the description below and get more returns. If you already have an account, make sure to create new through the Randomdimes link for exclusive offers to unlock this exclusive benefits. And don't forget to bookmark the link for future investments. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe the channel for more insights on smart investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing!